Welcome to another video. Let's solve this equation. So the question says find the highest integer for the value of x. So the first thing we're going to do here is by taking the square of both sides. So just to eliminate the square for which y is having. Then we have this r raised to power 2. And if you try to expand this, the result is going to be x plus. So why this one becomes 2 root 60. Yeah, so it's going to be 60 multiplying x, then plus x raised to power of 2. And plus again, well, this is 60 plus x. Everything equals to y. Then if you combine these together, we have 2x plus 60 plus 2 root. So if I rearrange this, we have x squared plus 60x equals to y. At this stage, if I let x squared plus 60x to be the value of k, then we have the root of x squared plus 60x equals to k. And by taking the square of both sides, so here we have x squared plus 60x equals to k squared. And at this stage, if I try to transfer k squared to this side, we have x squared plus 60x minus k squared equal to 0. But what I will do is, suppose I do this assumption by subtracting 900, let's say by adding 900 to both sides. So here we have x squared plus 60x minus k plus 900 equals to 900. So notice these will later cancel each other. Then if I try to factorize this, so what we are going to do is, if I factorize this, or let's say the possible value of 90 is 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, and 5 raised to power 2. And all these things, they are even number. Okay, so consider this. So if I try to now combine x squared plus 60x and plus 90 together, so everything here becomes x plus 30 squared, then minus k squared equals to 90. So we can pause this and expand this, you get what you have above. Okay, so those that are underlined, so you get it when you expand this. And here is the difference of 2 square, and this equals to 90. Then by applying the identity, we have x plus 30 plus k all raised to power of 2 plus k, right? Then we have this as x plus 30 minus k. So following the identity, this is the difference of a 2 square. And so let's say that this x is even, and why this one is also an even number. That is, the product of these two must be equals to 90. And what are the possible values of 90? Of 900 rather? So the first thing is, if you multiply 450 by 2, and this is still equivalent to 150 multiplying 6, which is also equivalent to I think, all right, so we have 90 multiplying 10, which is also equals to 30 multiplying 30, and the last one is going to be let's say we have 18 multiplying 50. So all these one, they are even number, so which means that from this again, we should note that before we can assign any value here, we should know that this x, y both are members of positive integers, and the value of k that I let above is also a member of positive integer. So then these two again, the first one is always greater than the second one when assigning the values to it. So this is always greater than the second one, which is x plus 30 minus k. All right, so which any value we are going to be assigned to it. So the x plus 30 plus k, we take the highest one, then following the second one. And doing this, or I've tested for everything, and here is the summary to it. So when you assign all those value and you solve them uh, simultaneously, so you are going to get all these value. For the first one, we get 196. The second one is 48. The third one is 20. The fifth one is 0 for the value of x, and the last one, which is the fifth one, is x equals to 4. But the question says the highest value is going to be 196. So therefore, the solution to the problem given to us, which is the highest value of x, is given as 196. And here is the result for this. So you can try to insert this x equals to 196 in the real equation, so you are going to get it. And this is how I think this problem should be solved. And if you have another better way of doing this problem, so there is a way to do that. So just drop the answer in the comment box. I will much appreciate your answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and never stop learning.